been rocking with me since the 2018, let's say. Y'all remember? Y'all remember I had to go all the way out here from the airport just to get a GoPro battery? Where we at? Take a right here with BJ's. This is a fucking restaurant. Damn it. Okay, I was about to be tight. There's a BJ's here too, but that was the restaurant. Oh, what was that? What that? The Jamaican? Huh?
I cannot pretend though. I done got it popping like an endo. I'm him, bro. Fuck, I need a friend for. Flow been an info. Fuck on any instrumental, put it in slow. 10 strokes, nut, throw the rubber out the window. 10 toes on these hoes, I don't pimp, but everywhere I go, I'm getting chose.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. 1 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Slow it on down. Woo. Slow it on down, slow it on down. Yeah. So, yo, yesterday I was out in Far Rock. I was gonna do a vlog or whatever, see what they had to eat, like around Queensway or whatever. I was searching for Jamaican food, but y'all already know, man, around 2 o'clock time, whoo, that traffic be nice. You trying to get back to the BX. So I was like, forget it. I'm gonna go to the Nike joint. You know me. But I'm gonna get some to eat. There's a spot around here called Bed-Stuy Fish Fry I want to try out. I had it obviously in Brooklyn the first time. I want to see how it is here. Take y'all along with me. But anyway, man, we about to get up in here. Today the J's did drop. The 11s, Gratitudes. I did see him at like 1024 still on Snipes. I would mosey on into JD Sports, see what the haps is, but I don't know if I'm really tripping on that like that. We're gonna fall up in here though. Follow me out.
You still struggle when you make minimum wage. Really, how much you gon' save when you gotta buy a way out? This what happens in America, the brave. They gon' turn you to a slave if you ain't hustling your way out. Life change if you ever gon' remain. Gotta hustle to maintain and get your name out. Before niggas put your flame out. I swear I gotta find a way out. Look, I was trapping, break it down in every fraction. It was better than adapting, 40 hours was subtracting. They don't tell you about deductions, they don't tell you about the taxes. But you going in for overtime to try to make it happen. I would turn that to a fortune, no enforcement or distractions. Had an address for the package and a spot to get it cracking. No Yale, but a nigga smart as hell, that's a caption. Cause I seen how close the niggas got the 12 sharing Jackson. I start questioning their actions, it's a difference when you dap them. This one nigga had the camera on his phone when I snatched it. In that moment, is the money worth the freedom that you own? But when you the head of household, do you need it or you don't? Yeah, I got them bitches sold. Greatest story never told. If I kept it on my chest for any longer, would've froze. Somebody had to be watching, cause I prayed and made it home. Made it motherfucking paycheck about to get me where I'm going. You still struggle when you make minimum wage. Really, how much you gon' save when you gotta buy a way out? This what happens in America, the brave. They gon' turn you to a slave if you ain't hustling your way out. Life change if you ever gon' remain. Gotta hustle to maintain and get your name out. Before niggas put your flame out. To be the fucking police, I swear man. I gotta find a way out. Can we please have a moment of silence? For those we lost, the police violence. R.I.P. George Floyd would've helped you on the Lord. They be so busy recording, they don't realize they ignore. It's my First Amendment right to tell you fuck you and your badge. If I tell you I can't breathe, you shouldn't wait until I gasp. I thought slavery was the past, now you facing niggas' wrath. I won't hesitate to put a fucking racist in the bag. You still struggle when you make minimum wage. Really, how much you gon' save when you gotta buy a way out?
Are you hungry? I'm hungry. You want some food? Only got some soul food. You'll got some soul food. Alright. Everything is for free. And good as it can be. Come and get some soul food. What's up? Let's talk. My own work for the club, but I'm on Southwest. And every now and then I get put to the jail. But I can't be stopped, cause I gotta go through. Ain't got no gun, but I got my groove. Getting close to no bitch, cause I know these things. Gotta play the soul food, taking rice and grace. Not coming to much, taking a cup of first. Talk cook, every last day. Put the high grits on my chest in the morning, window was singing. Married in the hot soup, boiling in the wine. but it felt so good. Like a rubber flip, boy, they headed back to the wood. Damn, full as a tick. Got the solo on blast, and like I said, food for my brain, I haven't stopped learning.
Hey, shout out to Best Stop Fish Fry. Shout out to you for getting the hell out the way, yo. Bro, you be trying to park somewhere low, here goes somebody want to park right there. You know what I'm saying? Just wait, idling. Like, brother, what you need right here? Nowhere, nothing. Anyway, yo. So I went up in that joint. I was gonna get the whiting, but they told me that the jerk was banging. I said, pause. I said, all right. So you gotta see how that is. And I didn't want to wait till I got all the way to the crib. You out of your mind? You think I'm about to battle this? 2 lanes blocked. Crash approaching 3rd Ave. Fuck the 2 lanes blocked. Ain't number 3. Shit. So anyway, yeah, I got the jerk chicken, mashed potatoes, collard greens. Make sure I got my, you know what I'm saying? Make sure I got that. And I did have to go back for the mac and cheese. And I got a half and half. Boom. They told me that the coconut cake was banging too. Okay. Okay. Only thing I'm missing is rice and peas right about now, but since it works.
My office hours are from 9 to 5.
When I see cats with a camera, maybe you didn't see it, but I see cats with a camera getting ready to take a picture of anything, brother, I fall back. You know, you know, I ain't about to step in the way. Well, I'm doing something, brother. Anyway, so we're gonna try the collards, and yo, you ain't gotta worry. They don't serve no pork products up here. Now, some of the surf is unlawful, but you know, oh yeah, I like how this hot sauce looking. Let's see. Y'all couldn't wait till I got to the crib. Hell no. Bang. Right here at Co-op City. You know what I'm saying? Right here in the plaza. This is how I know your mac and cheese is good. I ain't gotta add no pepper or salt. Is it cheesy? Is it cheesy? It's cheesy. It's definitely for cheesy. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. I can do with the salt and pepper on the mash. So the loaded mash, I put the salt and pepper on it. You'd be right in there. Pause if you have to. Woo. Oh, that's salt. There it go. There it go. Yeah, this is it right here. I like it. I saw somebody give it a bad review, but I believe they ordered from Uber. I wouldn't do that, because now I gotta battle somebody's cold ass car. You know what I'm saying?
Having your own tailgate.
Ain't that right? I respect that, you know what I'm saying? So with the half and half hitting on. Yeah, this is it right here. It's definitely it. Shout out to them. Whoever gave them a bad review, nah, I don't see it. No, sir. We'll kill the rest when we get to the house. And you know, Right, before we get up out of here, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. Nike, y'all, nothing to speak on. I did see a pair of dunks that I ain't never seen before or whatever, but that was about it. Nothing to speak. I wasn't even no gear. I wasn't even gonna fake the funk. I went to JD Sports, saw what they had up in there. Kind of asked a question like, yo, how the Jays were doing? Chick couldn't really understand the lingo.
I speak jive. Oh, good.
They had a size 10 up in that joint. Pause, we had to. So they had my size. I'm believing them joints was still around. Let me know how them joints did. But anyway, man, fuck that. If you wanted them, you should have copped. You already know, man. Don't fall in that. Oh, well, they sitting, so that don't mean nothing. You know what I'm saying? Okay, they sitting. Did you want them or not? You know what I'm saying? Let them sit. Let them sit. Rock them. You know what I'm saying? They had some gear in JD Sports. They had like this, I don't know, it was like a light tech joint. Yo, I want to go back up because I took a photo of it, matter of fact. I want to put them up to my triax because I was like, you know? That little suit was straight. What else they had out there? Usual shit sitting. Saw the fears. But yeah, nah, I wasn't really that surprised on the Jordan 11s sitting like that. I figured they would. It's around December time when you got that and you got the sneaks come out. Hell no. Speaking of another sneak that's about to come out, about to drop, the Jordan 3s, the navy blue. Now, if these would have dropped probably like March, could have had a fighting chance with me, maybe, because I already got the I got the navy blue 6s and I got the navy blue or midnight blue 4s. Could have been a alright addition, but I ain't gonna lie, I believe I'm done as far as copping sneaks goes. I really believe I'm done for the remainder of the year. Nothing that I really want, you know what I'm saying, unless I'm going back in the bag catching something that I ain't never got before. Pause if you have to. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here, man, because I'm about to get upstairs, heat up this plate and chill. Let me know, man, did y'all cop those 11s? How y'all like them? I know my man Fight Man said that he liked the tumble leather. Well, he liked the tumble leather over the mesh, which, you know, the mesh, the tumble leather, it looks cool. I just think like when they start getting like some real wear, I believe it's gonna start looking a little nasty on top. I don't know. Pause if you have to. Joints did look good. Just wasn't something that I really needed to cop, and that was it. But if you wanted them joints, definitely, you know what I'm saying? Like them clean ass sneak. You know, I can't wait to see somebody with them on feet because I know I'm gonna take a look. But anyway, shout out to Bed-Stuy Fish Fry. Yo, that joint, yes, I can't wait to kill this the rest of this plate and that damn dessert, man. I'm about to get up here and get the itis, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. What's coming up next? Matter of fact, yo, it's giveaway time. I got a giveaway. Shout out to Into the AM. They hit me off with, you know, some gift cards, so, you know what I'm saying, it's only right that I hit y'all off with them. Even though I want me one of them sweatsuits, but, you know what I'm saying, I'll beg for it. That's gonna be next, so stay tuned for that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be.
Yo, come on.
That's Snubs. It's your boy Wavy. I know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.